Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, wanted to do a little video here on a model that I've had that I really want to get into. I've seen HPI guys and a few other people build this, and if you know me, you know I love old race cars, any kind of race car basically, especially dirt cars and the old school, race cars. So this thing definitely caught my eye. Um, Looks pretty neat how they got it built, except for the orange rear end. That's kind of nasty. Um, but it's got the full roll cage and metal interior, etc. Um, it's pretty cool too because it's a series. I've got the wild one that I got, the Slammer, the Ridge Runner, and the Rat Trap, which is like a Vega, and then the Ridge Runner is an old Pinto, which is pretty cool. So I think that's a Ford, and then that's the Chevy. It's a 36 Chevy, yeah. So anyway, pretty cool though. Here's the body, pretty simple. Got some holes in the doors for the Nerf bars. Real simple little body there. Of course, your instructions. I've already got the pieces cut out, or the bags cut open here. Got your header pipes, your intake manifold, carburetor, battery, oil pan, cylinder heads, and valve covers, which is cool because there's nothing chrome on this. Got your belts and pulleys, fan, the other part to the exhaust pipes, your seat, alternator, starter. I think that's a distributor. Then your motor and trans. Got the chassis, basic box tube chassis. And I love these wheels. The old wheels of that style just look so cool, especially when they're aluminum or polished up or whatever. Then the wheel backs, and the steering wheel barely hanging on, it's bouncing around on the sprue. That appears to be, yeah, it's the rear firewall. Very cool. And take that bag out. We have the hood, some roll bar parts, rear bumper, firewall. Man, these things definitely need cleaned off. Look at all that oil on them. From the mold release agent. Carburetor stack, which I don't like. I wish they had a actual air cleaner, because I want to do this at a dirt car, and you didn't have carburetor stacks on a dirt track. It just suck dirt right down your carburetor. Here's your water pump. Some more, well, that's your front bumper. Okay. And your floor pan. That's got a lot of mold release on it too. Wow. I've never seen a model with this much grime on it. Definitely have to break out the Simple Green or Dawn, one of the two. It's got a little bit of flash, but it's to be expected. If I got a model car that didn't have flash, I wouldn't know what to do. There's roll bars, brake booster, accelerator pedals, actually, what that is. That's cool. An accelerator pedal. Got a fire bottle and your dashboard with no gauges. That's kind of dumb. Brake and clutch and shifter. And like I said, some more roll bar parts. Very cool. Got your front end pieces, radiator and front shocks, That looks like a rear shock mount. Your spindles, some more roll bar parts for up around the front. And that's got the rear axle, which is a quick change. So when they get the orange one on there, that makes no sense because quick changes are always like a excuse me, like an aluminum. So leaf springs, which is kind of wild. Leaf spring car with quick change rear end. I love these tires. They're already printed. Got a real good tread to them, which would be perfect for, you know, like a dirt car. And I'm gonna make this thing dirty. It's gonna look like a little on the used and abused side. And then we got the decals. Two different setups there to go on those, which is cool. Nice setup there. And I'm going to do something a little different too with this, having the motors so exposed. I got a piece of servo wire from an old RC airplane that's screwed up, and I pulled the one end of it down, and I'm going to use that yellow to make plug wires. So that ought to be a neat little add-on to it, but I think I'm going to do it like a blue. I haven't decided yet. Either like a blue metallic or a green metallic. Haven't really decided yet. Probably blue metallic, and go from there. But anyway, guys, that's the basic unboxing of this thing. Like I said, I've got like 2 or 3 different kits going right now, so yeah, why not start another? Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this thing because I think it's going to be a fun kit to build. Look like the HPI guy's kit. He did a really good job. Chris did a really good job of the one he's got. And so yeah, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of it so I can get started on it. So anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, thanks for checking it out. Welcome. And you know, just subscribe and like and comment, and we'll whoops, box right side up, huh? I'll keep you guys updated on more things to come with it, but yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a fun build. So hopefully you guys are all doing good out there, and y'all take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.